2 times open parentheses 9 plus 3 divided by 3 close parentheses, then minus 6. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it? In the wrong way of solving this question, some people solve this question like this. 2 times 9 plus 3, which equals 12, then divided by 3, then minus 6. After that, they simplify these parentheses. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 2 times 4, then minus 6. 2 times 4 equals 8, and 8 minus 6 equals 2. But this answer is definitely wrong. Let's solve this question step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations. If you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same level of priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. According to this rule, first we simplify the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have addition and division. First, we do this division, because division has higher priority than addition. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Now we have 9 plus 1 in the parentheses, and the question is 2 times 9 plus 1, then minus 6. Again, we simplify the parentheses. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now we have 2 times 10, then minus 6. In this step, we do this multiplication, because the multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. 2 times 10 equals 20, and 20 minus 6 equals 14. The final answer of this question equals 14. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.